Hey, Jason from TechAU, and today I'm going to unbox whatever the hell this thing is. So sometimes some packages come to TechAU and I don't always know what is in them. So this looks very cool. All right, let's have a look. Come on. Could do this without that. So, what have we got? Game of Thrones, House of the Dragon, and it's thanks to Binge, so that's pretty cool. We take this off. What do we get inside? This is very cool packaging, by the way. Oh, no way! It's a whole keyboard. Excellent. All right. House of the Dragon, the biggest show in the world, is coming to Binge, etc., etc. Monday, 22nd of August. So there we go. Let's have a look what this is. Oh, neat. Alright, so that has, wow, it's the first keyboard with a Binge button. That is very cool. Mechanical keyboard, looks like some nice RGB. We'll have to plug it in and try it out. Yeah, that's rad. And just the USB cable to go with it. But that is a nice little bit of something unexpected. So thank you very much to Binge for sending that through. Definitely check out the latest Game of Thrones. And that's it, quick little unboxing of this little neat thing. So there you go.